Don't you guys just love rainy days? They make me just want to stay inside and enjoy the coziness of home, especially this time of year. Something about the atmosphere and the smells. And I recently heard about simmer pots. I did a little research on them and I found one that I think would smell really good. Since today is such a rainy day and we're going to stay inside, I thought, what better day to try this out than today? This smelled so good while it was simmering. But baby, when that thing started boiling, my husband said that he loved the smell of this simmer pot and that he could smell it all the way upstairs. And apparently, Frank loved it too.